Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. These AI fruit carving videos are going viral right now because they're incredibly satisfying to watch and almost impossible to scroll past. The best part, you can create videos like these completely free, and in this video I'll show you exactly how. So let's get started. The first step is to open the master prompt I've prepared for you. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you send it, ChatGPT will generate a list of different fruits and vegetables, along with several creative carving concepts. Simply choose any combination that you like. You don't have to spend time thinking of ideas because the prompt does all the brainstorming for you. After you make your selections, ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete detailed prompt that's specifically designed for the Google Omni Flash video model. This prompt contains everything needed to create a realistic carving transformation video. Now copy the generated prompt and open Google Flow AI. Switch to video generation mode, choose the aspect ratio you want, select the OmniFlash video model, paste the prompt into the prompt box and start generating. Within a short time, you'll have a high quality AI video featuring a realistic carving transformation that's smooth, satisfying, and perfect for short form content. These types of videos naturally capture attention and keep viewers watching until the end. By the way, if you're enjoying this tutorial and want to learn more AI content ideas before everyone else starts making them, take a second to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Once your video is finished, download it in the highest quality available. The best part about this workflow is that you can repeat it over and over with different fruits, vegetables, and carving concepts. Every combination creates something unique, giving you an endless supply of content for YouTube Shorts. With just one master prompt, you can generate countless satisfying videos without spending hours writing prompts from scratch. I've also created a few more videos using this exact workflow. If you're looking for more AI niches with strong viral potential, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment with the AI niche you'd like me to cover next, and subscribe for more free AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.